mag-open.
What? Camera follow.
I won! I love!
White balance hanggang black is yan, color correction.
And then ilagay natin dito. Tapos, syempre mandatory picture.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh.
So, kailangan tingnan natin yung mga naging problem natin. Yes, I know, biglaan to. Pero kasi, kung ang problema natin dito ngayon ay masosolve na natin by the next
That's nice. You're nice naman, mahal.